Nick joining us now. Let's get back to this weather because it's still wet out there.
Yeah, and the potential exists for some overnight severe storms. And of course, we already had some severe weather earlier in the day. I wanted to show you what it looked like in Georgetown. One of our viewers there, Paige Romine, sent us this video of at least some small hail in the Georgetown area. You can always send in your photos, pictures, videos, all about weather, even breaking news tips. Just go to kxan.com/report it and fill out the form, attach your video or picture. We really appreciate that. This is how it looks outside in Austin now. It is a murky, damp evening. No severe weather now, just beneficial light rain. It's been adding up. We're now approaching 3/4 of an inch of rain in Austin at Camp Mabry for the day. Generally speaking, the rain right now is light. Scattered and light showers across the metro and our eastern counties. Not a whole lot of wet weather coming down in the hill country yet. But we're going to keep watching these storms blossoming due west of us because these have the potential to bring severe weather to central Texas overnight, especially after about 1 or 2 in the morning. If these storms hold together on their path eastward, they could pack a punch. In fact, as I mentioned, National Weather Service just issued a tornado watch for most of the counties just west of our viewing area. We've got Mason and Gillespie counties right here, so that tornado watch ends right as our viewing area begins. That goes until 4 o'clock in the morning, and the National Weather Service have hinted that they may have to extend some sort of watch farther east for later tomorrow morning. So there's your early heads up and a first warning about the potential for some nasty storms in the pre-dawn and morning commute hours of Tuesday. Let me take you through the rest of this day, which doesn't have long left in it. Just scattered showers and isolated storms continue through 11 midnight. I don't expect much in the way of severe weather up until we get into the early morning hours of tomorrow. And then here we go, 1, 2 in the morning, the potential for some strong or severe storms to try to enter the hill country. Then we head closer to 3, 4 o'clock, that potential rises. These storms could have large hail, damaging wind, isolated tornadoes, a real overnight possibility. We want to make sure that you've got ways to stay informed should that happen in the middle of the night. You want to be able to get woken up and head to a safe place should you get some nasty weather coming your way in the middle of the night. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, those storms approaching the metro could make for a very soggy, stormy morning commute or trip to work and school. Plan on some delays there. And then as we head through the late morning, delays, I mean traffic delays getting to work and school. By the late morning and midday, rain and storm coverage starts to drop off. The real question mark about tomorrow is whether we can get storms to redevelop during the late afternoon and early evening as a cold front comes through. A lot of our computer models are now thinking we don't. The better chances for rain and storms will come in the morning. But should any storms form along this cold front tomorrow afternoon and early evening, those could be severe as well. So 70% of us getting rain and storms overnight lows of 66. Another 70% of us getting rain and storms tomorrow, with the highest rain coverage coming tomorrow morning. That's the 70%, dropping to 10% by noon. And then the real question marks as to whether we can get additional storms coming later in the day tomorrow. Any storms tomorrow could carry an isolated tornado, large to very large hail, and some strong wind as well. Not just overnight tonight, but through the day tomorrow. There's also a flash flooding threat. Most of us a 2 out of 4 risk of flash flooding, thinking most of us get 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. But I put the plus sign because there could always be some localized much higher amounts than that. If you see water covering a road, turn around, don't drown. Rain chances continue Wednesday, Thursday, and then really drop off. You'll see beginning Friday through Monday of next week, we're back to dry again.